One sunny morning, Coco wanted to go fishing. First, she went to the store to buy a tiny fishing rod. She carried her little coin pouch and picked the best rod for a small cat like her. Then she walked to a big, quiet lake. Coco set her rod and waited. She waited all day from noon to sunset, but Coco didn't catch a single fish. She felt sad, but she didn't give up. Suddenly, after trying for the whole day, she jumped into the lake. Splash! A moment later, she came out soaking wet. She curled up by the lake, purring with joy.